What's really unique about Prisma though is that it can take this schema and automatically generate a JavaScript client library to make type-safe queries in the application. It provides a really awesome developer experience, and that's why I chose to use it in my full Next.js 13 course. And now in our query, we get IntelliSense on every table, along with a bunch of ORM methods to query them easily. But the drawback is that we're now relying very heavily on third-party abstractions. Prisma has a bunch of Rust engines under the hood just to make all this black magic possible. But in exchange, you get a great developer experience with minimal effort. And that brings us to the final tool on the list, Drizzle ORM. This is a relatively new tool that strikes a good balance of everything we've looked at so far. To use it, we first define our tables of tweets and users, and then define the columns as properties on an object with various methods for the data types and constraints. And this is a bit more straightforward than the other ORMs we looked at. What's interesting though is that once we have a table defined, we can use it to infer a TypeScript type, and that allows us to enforce that type anywhere in the application outside of the database client itself. Now in the component, we can use the client to make queries, and we'll get full type safety for anything we do. And with that, we have 8 different ways to use a SQL database in